Hi, my name is Manish, and this is something that I've built for myself, and I believe that you guys can use it too. So, therefore, I am making a video tutorial for the same. Let me give you a little bit of backstory. So, Skribbl.io is a place that we play games. It's more like a Pictionary. I like to play it with my friends, and one of the problems that I've faced while playing this game is if I create a private room and I send that link to my friends, they all start joining into the room that I've created. But if I want to play custom words mode only, so there has to be the group leader or the room leader who has to type in all the words, say for second, and if in case we want everybody to participate in it, the only way that I could think of was to have my friends send me all those words which are already comma separated and stuff, and I just copy paste them at the very end and start the game. But for me, as somebody who is copy pasting all those words, I believe that the game is ruined because I already know most of them. So once they start drawing, I already have a head. So it does not remain a fair game for the person who is playing it, or the one who was the group leader and inserted all those words into the cabin or this text area. So a tool that I have made is Auto-Skribbl. So this was the most creative name that I could come up with. So Auto-Skribbl is a platform that allows you to play custom word games on Skribbl.io with complete anonymity from other words. So it gives you a platform where you can collect all those names, the words, or anything that your friends want to have in that particular game, and then you just create a room. And for this, we create a bot that initializes that entire room for you, waits for you to join, and once the people have joined into the room, the bot leaves. So the edge that it provides you is that nobody knows all the words except for the words that they entered into the text box that I'll be providing you. So let me give you a walkthrough of how to use this app. Please do not judge it on the basis of UI. This was the most creative I could be in a few hours. So you go to Auto-Skribbl, auto-skribbl.herokuapp.com, and you click on create room. So here you'll have to fill in a few of the details. So the minimum number of players is basically the minimum number of players that the bot will wait for before starting the game. So let's just say I have 2 players that the bot should wait for before starting the game, and I want to have a 6-round game, and for every round I want to have a drawing time of 50 seconds, right? So if you put in anything below 2 and greater than 10, I'll just put it down to 5, and if you put anything below 30 or above 180, I just set the default value to 90, so it should not break, I guess. So once you are done with that, you click on create room and you wait for the application to create your room, and now all you have to do is click on add words, right? And the URL over here is what you are supposed to send to your friends who also want to add their words into this particular room. So I'll just copy this URL and send to anybody who wants, or my friends who want to play the game with me. So I'll just enter the words. Let's say I enter train from university game. Amazing. So once I click on add words, the words have been added. Similarly, all of your friends who have that particular link can add those words. Once you receive a confirmation from everybody, all of your friends who have added all those words, you can just go on and click start game. So once you click start game, it takes around 30 to 60 seconds for us to initialize the bot in the backend, and which creates that entire room for you. And you can then click on this link to see whether the game has been created for you or not. So it says that the room will be available in some time. Please reload in 30 seconds. So let me try and just reload it once again. And yes, you can see that the room has been created for me. Now this is the game link that I want to send to my friends, either using Telegram or whatever application that you use. So let's just go ahead and try joining this room. So since I created it for 2 people, I'll create 2 different sessions. Okay, and give me a second. I'll just enter the link here. Let's just say my name is Manish friend 1 friend too. Let's just remove my name. Okay, right, and I click on play, and here we see that when the first friend joins, there is a bot. ASB is nothing but Auto-Skribbl bot with a random ID, and you can see that 2 rounds were allotted with 50 seconds of time, and custom words has been set. Since you cannot see anybody else's words, only the bot knows what the words are. Now when I join in as the second person, and we know that we set the minimum number of players required to join to be 2, the bot will then basically start the game for you, and once the game is started, the bot goes away. So you can see that these are the words that were entered. So let's just say I was doing some, I did this, and great. So the next time that I get word here on the friend one, these are going to be from the same pool which was initially filled, right? So this is a project that I did, and I believe that you can use it too with this particular tutorial or example. If you find it good, please share it with your friends who might be facing the similar problems. Have a great game of Skribbl.io. Thank you. Also, you can check out the link to the repository on github.com. If in case there are failures or issues, please just leave it down into the issues bracket, create a new issue, and just let me know. Thank you so much. You can contact me at gabru-md almost everywhere, or you can check my blog at gabrumdfoss.wordpress.com. You'll get all the information about me over there. So thank you, and have a great game of Skribbl.io.